My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on Applied Data Science with Python. This is lecture number 326. In this lecture, I will continue my discussion on naive-Bayes classification algorithm. In order to understand this particular algorithm, let me explain two concepts: independent events and mutually exclusive events. Two events A comma B are said to be independent if probability of A given B is equal to probability of A. Similarly, probability of B given A is equal to probability of B. So what it means is probability of A given B has got nothing to do with B and it is independent of B. So if this is true, then A and B are said to be independent. Let's take an example. Let me assume my capital A is getting a value of 6 on die 1 throw. B is getting a value of 3 in die 2's throw. Remember, you are throwing D1 and D2 simultaneously. You are throwing D1 and D2 parallelly. So whether D1 gets 6 has got nothing to do with D2 getting 3. They are completely independent. So the probability here, probability of D1 equal to 6 given D2 equal to 3. Since throwing die 1 and die 2 are completely independent, in simple English, you are throwing two dice parallelly. Let's assume two people are throwing. First person is throwing die 1 and second person is throwing die 2. Suppose you throw die 1 and die 2. For D2 got 3. Does that impact anyway whether getting 6 on D1? No, it has no relationship. So the probability of D1 getting 6 given D2 equal 3 is nothing but probability of D1 equal to 6, isn't it? That is probability of D1 equal 6. In similar manner, probability of D2 equal to 3 given D1 equal 6 is equal to probability of D1 equal to 3. In such a case, A and B events are independent. Now, we will try to understand mutually exclusive events. Oftentimes, people get confused between mutually exclusive events and independent events. What is this? What is the meaning of mutually exclusive events? If P of probability of A given B is equal to probability of B given A is equal to 0, then A and B are said to be mutually exclusive events. That's what it means. When will these two equals to be 0? When P A intersection B equal 0. What is the definition of probability of A given B and probability of B given A? By definition, probability of A given B is P of A intersection B by P of B, as it is equal to 0. If you cross multiply it, you will get P of A intersection B equal 0. In similar manner, here also you will get P of B intersection A equal 0. By set theory, we know that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, isn't it? Let me take one simple example. Let me assume A is an event. A is an event. What it indicates? That event is getting 6 on die 1. B is another event getting 3 on same die D1. These two events A and B, I can say mutually exclusive events. Even if you take a coin, if you toss a coin, getting head is let me say A is an event for getting head. For getting head, B is an event for getting tail. These two events are mutually exclusive events. They cannot occur the same time, isn't it? Getting head means it prevents getting tail, isn't it? This in similar manner, when can I say two events are mutually exclusive events? P of A by B equal to P of B by A equal to 0. Just go through these two definitions which are required for our naive-Bayes classification algorithm. In my next lecture, I will discuss about Bayes theorem. After that Bayes theorem, I will start our naive-Bayes classification algorithm. Initially, I will discuss about theory behind naive-Bayes classification algorithm. Then I will take, as I told you, I will take one toy data set and I will explain this particular naive-Bayes classification algorithm with that particular toy data set. Thank you very much.